Hello and welcome to my video. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Paul and I'm the Professor of Film. I enjoy everything to do with film photography. I enjoy cameras, I enjoy the film, I enjoy developing and printing. I just love it. And I've been doing it for donkey's years. You can see how old I am. And film cameras, I was using film cameras when I was 12. So I've had quite a lot of experience with them. And we didn't have digital cameras when I was a lad. So yes, a lot of the tips and tricks that I've learned over the years, I'm more than happy to pass on to people who don't know film photography or don't understand old film cameras very well, and I'm more than happy to. So I have a whole shed load of videos that you'd be entitled to go and watch if you'd like to. And if you'd like to see more of me and my advice and what have you, then please do subscribe and hit the bell button so that you know when I make new videos, which is now twice a week. So yes, join me. Every video I do, I show you the pictures at the end of the camera that I'm talking about. And what we're doing this year, 2023, is I am buying cameras. I hate to think of cameras sitting in people's drawers or sitting in their attics getting dust and getting covered in fungus, or battery compartments rotting away. So I'm trying to get as many cameras as I can, refurbish them necessarily, just make sure that they're working, and then sell them out to people that really want to try it and enjoy their photography, because film cameras are getting ridiculously expensive because obviously there's fewer of them around now. So the more that we can get out there, the cheaper we can keep the prices. So today I picked this up at auction. It's a Minolta X370S. It's a manual camera, but it does have a built-in light meter. It's a very nice little camera. So we'll go through what the camera does first of all. There is no shutter speed as such. Hold on a second. Of course, it needs batteries. So let's have a look. You can see I don't set these things up first. You're with me, we do this together. So it's going to take, well, it has got batteries in there, or a battery in there. So look, mind you, it could be the case that the camera doesn't work, because I obviously buy them in good faith and I don't know. So what battery is that? I can't see what it is. It's a, what we're going to do is we're going to try silver. I've got SRs. Oh, no. There we are. It was a good idea to have lots of different camera batteries available if you're going to be repairing cameras. So let's see. Never get the old ones confused with the new ones. And whatever you do, keep them away from children. If children swallow them, they burn their insides. Pretty scary stuff. Right. Oh dear. Look. Yes. So that might have damaged the camera. That is in there. Bear with me, I'm going to go and get a screwdriver to repair that. Wouldn't it be good? Wouldn't it be good if we can get this working? Yeah. Right. Okay. Let's see if we can get it working. I mean, do mention in the comments if you think that I should check everything out before I get going, before I make the video, or whether you enjoy it more if you watch me make the cock-ups and try and get things working. I'd be interested to know what you think. Always let me know in the comments. And any questions you've got about film cameras, SLR or rangefinders or whatever, then please do ask. I'm more than happy to answer them if I can. Now, let me have a look. I turn it on. No. So let's have a look. Oh, hello. There's bits falling out. Bits don't fall out unless somebody's been playing around with it. So there's a good chance then that somebody's been playing around with this. Which would be a bit disappointing because they told me it was sold to me as just hadn't been working for a while. That's going to take some work, unfortunately. So I'm afraid we're going to have to cut that one here and come back to that later, because I've got to look at that and work out what's gone wrong. So, sorry about that. We'll catch up later on.